Welcome to the Pumpkin Pouch. I am Tegan, and we are going to the craft store. Joann's, to be exact. No, I did not film a lot because I got nervous. Wow, look at that. The name and everything, and then I duck and go in, and you get a tiny little glimpse of the yarn. Look at the yarn! Oh, isn't that magical? You're welcome. First up, the most obvious thing is I got a 5-pound box of polyfill! I've never gotten a big one. I always get these little bags like, these, which are fine, but it's never even a full pound worth. Whereas here, I got a big boy. Okay, next. These crates were on sale, these nice foldable ones, so I got 2 of the small and 1 of the large, and yarn. I got Bernat's, of course. These were on sale for $8.99, and then all yarn in store is 20% off, so I went crazy. And then Big Twist were all $6.99, plus, the extra 20, so. And then I had the in-app coupon as well, so. And I have a cat. Hi! Hi, honey. Hello. So I did get more yarn. Let me just pull it all out. Alright. Hang on. Ooh, amazing what a little wipe of the lens will do. I got all this yarn, and then you can see me poking in with my arm. I got fabrics because all of their scrap fabrics were an extra 75% off, so these were just like a couple bucks. So I got this really so soft. I wish y'all could feel this one. It's so soft, and if you shop at any craft store in general, you know that like soft, fluffy fur type yarn is expensive. So I'm excited, and then I got this like just plain black felt because me. Oh, girl. Got black, I know. And that, a good few of the skeins of yarn I got are black and white for my projects. Are you excited? She's excited. Are you excited? Can I get a meow meow? Meow? Of course, now there's nothing. My hair, oh my god, the wind today. I'm a mess. Now you meow. Thanks. She's like, yes, you are a mess. Thanks. Anyway, all this good stuff. I'm very excited. Let's now make something. We're gonna do like a little make. Alright? Alright. Hey, here we are with the yarn and the things. And better? Ish. Messy hair? Ish. Yes. Yes. Second day wavy hair is just, Hi. Cat. Cat is good. Anyway, this big mess just came out of this thing that we have. This gloriousness that is so soft. We're going to make a giant chicken for a friend's brother because he saw the giant slug that I made for her at Christmas. And he was like, I want one. But then we soon discovered that, given this type of yarn that he wanted, that her sister brought out, because she just happened to have like a whole bunch of this yarn, and he likes yellow, so it was perfect. It's really thick. Look at this. If I made that slug with this, it'd be bigger than me. Which I'm not gonna lie, at some point I want to do. Just for fun. And then take it to markets and see if anyone happens to ever want to spend on it, and if not, I will enjoy every time just bringing back home for Snuggles a giant slug. But we're gonna make a chicken. 2 skeins in, this is what we're sitting at. Once I get further up on the sides, the bottom will sit more flat and I can start stuffing it. But I got to attach another skein. I have 2 left, so hopefully that should be enough. It should be. But, oh my god, my hand. My hand hurts so bad. It's just... working with yarn this thick and big and heavy. This thing is heavy, honestly, already. So, we'll see how much further we get. And I'll check back in then. Bye. He's done. Finally, the big chunky chicken is done. He's huge. Sorry, she. It's a hen. There's no waddle, just the coxcomb. Yes, this is orange. This is what my friend decided on. Isn't it cute? I'm also noticing now that the yarn they gave me, on camera when I look at it this way, I can see is 2 slightly different variations of yellow. We have more of a golden ochre one here, and then a lighter, brighter yellowy yellow here, all mustardy. It's cute! Oh my goodness. You can't so much tell in person, honestly. It's really just the video lighting. I don't know why this is.
Oh my god, yeah.
But, I mean, I guess, ooh, now I can kind of see it now. A little bit. But I only just now noticed that, so that's cool. It adds cuteness and dimension, and this is just, y'all, it's hefty. This was hard. My arms hurt, my back hurts. I don't know that I will ever work with this kind of yarn again, but I love how it looks. Maybe someday in the future, when I can not be crazy and take breaks and not try to get it done as fast as I can, because when I have a big project, I like to see it finished, because look, it's so big. It's so big. Like, Chungus Chicken, she's so cute. So yeah, thank y'all for being here. I hope this was fun. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more abominations be created. More to come. Bye!